All right, March 5th, 2026 here. I've just begun Under the Wings 81. This will be a memorial portrait of a Protestant pastor. He was the first Protestant pastor murdered by the Nazis, by the Third Reich. I was thinking of portraying him, and also a Catholic bishop murdered by the Reich in response to the news during the last American presidential campaign that President Trump had expressed that Adolf Hitler, the German Third Reich Führer, had done good things. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. And Trump had expressed admiration for Third Reich military generals for their devotion to Hitler. Those generals, of course, led the mass murder of 10 million people across Europe, including Action T4 victims, the disabled of Germany and Austria, most of whom were Protestant and Catholic, some Jewish as well, which was followed by the Holocaust and the mass murder of Romani and Sinti peoples and Jewish people from across Europe, and so many others. Over 1 million Catholic Poles and a large, considerable number of Christian background Russians and so on. All right, Paul Schneider was German, born 1897. He was the first Protestant pastor to be executed by the Third Reich. In 1939, he was an evangelical Protestant. And, of course, with Donald Trump, his unfunding of U.S. aid, leading to the deaths of at least 100,000, several 100,000 people in sub-Saharan Africa, his warmongering, his embrace of American gun rights, which took the lives of 100,000 Americans during President Trump's prior first administration. And it's ongoing every day. People are slaughtered by guns in the United States, an ongoing genocide. Nearly 2 million people, Americans, have died from guns since 1968, the year I graduated high school, the year Reverend Dr. King and U.S. Senator Robert Kennedy were both shot, respectively. All right, to be continued. I'm doing the pencil here, as you see. And then once that's done, I'll be going over it in ink, and India ink, and then I'll be deciding what I'll be doing in the background. Allegorical, metaphoric birds' wings, perhaps, and or allegorical sea monsters, or both, likely both. Maybe, we'll see. I have one wing here, big allegorical sea monster here. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you. Feedback is beautiful, beautiful.